Some other ideas are you could attach a colourful key holder. I've got one on the little cotton tab that's on the lining of the bag. So you could use that on the inside of your bag or on the outside. And then I thought if you wanted a pocket on the inside of your bag, you could sew on another little cotton bag. I've got one of these that came with some product, so that would be the ideal size. So you could just stitch that in onto the inside of your bag. Just make it your own. That's the whole point of it, really. That's the cotton webbing or ribbon that I got from Spotlight. That's on the inside of the handles. And, or as I said, you could use something that you already have, like a strap off a robe, and stitch that on the inside of your handles, and that would be a cool look as well. So there you go. Just customize it and make it a really unique bag for yourself or for a gift.